I don't know why you stopped glowing.
How would Beast is?
Maybe it's just tired like you.
Oh, lies!
Some lights rest before returning. It used to light my way home. It still lights us.
Nathan, what if the light lives inside you now?
Light travels. I miss him. We can miss him together. It's different, but okay.
You see that type of video you just watched right now? You can create that type of video with your smartphone. You don't need laptop to create that type of video, and it will look amazing like the one you just watched right now with a consistent character, with lip syncing. Everything is going to look perfect, just like the video you just watched right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something amazing like that using your smartphone for free without paying for any AI tool. So if that sounds so interesting to you, I want you to watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip a part, the part you skip may be most important part you need to watch and get everything done right. So don't skip any part. Now let's go dive into it. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can create something amazing like that for free using your smartphone. Let's get started. So for me to be able to record that type of video you just watched, the first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT, and this is what I give to ChatGPT. I say generate a deep, emotional 12-scene story of a Disney pizza. In fact, I cannot be reading this because if I say I should read this, it will take our time. It will take so much time. But if you need the prompt, you let me know in the comment section of this video. I'm going to send you everything I did in this video. I'm going to send it to you. If you need it, you let me know in the comment section of this video. So this is what I gave to ChatGPT, as you can see. This is what I gave to ChatGPT. And now this is what ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, it says story idea when the lights come back. So as you can see, section 1, scene story with what they said. As you can see, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. This is all the stories. This is all the stories, the scene. As you can see, it says settings 2, the character description. As you can see, Uma on age in 9 age. As you can see, Leo is slim young boy with a realistic, cute Disney pizza 3D look. You can check this. This is the second character, and this is the third character. Now, this is the image to video prompt. As you can see, he also gave me image to video prompt. Now, and he also gave me video to image prompt. As you can see, video to image prompt. Now, the first thing I did was to copy this character here. As you can see, this character, I copy it. Now, the next thing I do is to copy like this. I copy like this, and after I copy, the next thing I did was to head over to Google Gemini and go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store. You go and search for this app, Google Gemini. You search for the app. This is the app here. As you can see, this is the app which we'll be using to generate our image. After you successfully install the application on your phone, the next thing you are going to do is to click on open. And when you click on open, you click on create image here. As you can see, create image. When you click on create image, the prompt you just copy right now, you paste the prompt here. As you can see, you paste the prompt here and you click on generate. And when you click on generate, it will start generating the image for you. Now this is the first image generated for us. As you guys can see, this is the first image, and the next thing we are going to do is to click on save. After we click on save, we'll go back to ChatGPT again. We go back to ChatGPT, and we copy the second image here. As you can see, the second image, we click on copy it, and we go back to Google Gemini and generate the second image. And what we do, we just paste it here also, and we click on generate. After we click on generate, as you guys can see, this is the image again. We have generated the image for us. So the next thing we are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT again, and we copy our next image prompt again. We copy this one, That is the third one. We go back to Gemini again, we paste it, and this is it, and this is how I generate the third image. And we come back again, as you can see, to generate this one. That is the first image prompt here. The character will generate the young boy again, as you guys can see, we generate it. The second one again, we come back, we copy, we generate. So this is how you are going to be doing it. You come back here, you copy your image prompt, and you come back to Google Gemini, you paste it, you click on generate, and it's going to generate all the image for you. As you guys can see, that is how I was doing it one by one, and I generate all the image. As you can see, all the images I used to create the video. These are all the images, as you guys can see, to the end of the image. Now, after you successfully generate all this image and you save them to your phone, as you can see, after you successfully generate all the images and you save them to your phone, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to Grok AI. Now, let's go back to our Google Play Store or Apple Store to download the app. You come back to go, you search for Grok AI. Grok AI, and you are going to see it like this. You are going to see the AI. As you can see, this is the AI. As you can see, Grok Smarter AI. Then you install it on your phone. After you install it on your phone, you open it. This is the app we are going to be using to convert our image to video. This is the app we are going to use to make it. Now, after you successfully install the application on your phone, you register. The next thing you are going to do is to bring you to an interface like this. You tap up here which says imagine, and we click on imagine, it will bring you to an interface like this. The next thing you are going to do is to click on this image here. As you can see, this plus sign, you tap on it, and when you tap on it, you click on this photo library. You click on it, and when you tap on it and click on photo library so that you can upload your image. Now, let's upload our image. We upload our first image. As you guys can see, this is our first image. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT again, where we'll copy our image to video prompt. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT. As you can see, this is image to videos prompt. As you can see, it says in 1, image to video prompt. Everything. The first thing we copy, go back to the Grok AI, and we paste everything here. First, before you paste, you tap on image to image, make a video, you click on customize, and you paste your prompt, and you click on generate. And in less than 1 minute, this AI tool is going to generate the entire video for you. Yes, it's going to generate the entire video for you in less than 1 minute. So this is how you are going to do. You follow this method again, and you keep generating your videos one by one. You keep generating, you copy the prompt, you upload the image to video prompt, and you generate all your videos. This is the same method I did, which I generate all the videos you are seeing here. As you can see, these are all the videos. I generated it one by one. As you can see, I use Grok AI to generate all my image to videos. So after you successfully generate everything, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to any of your editing tool. You can use CapCut, you can use Insight, any editing tool, you can use it to edit your videos. Now, let me show you how I did mine. Now, on your CapCut, you add everything together. As you can see, you import everything. After you import everything, you add your own sound, you add everything. I've shown you guys on my previous videos how you can also generate sound, background sound, like the background sound you are seeing on this video. Let me play it so that you guys will see.
I don't know why you stopped glowing.
Oh, what is this?
Maybe it's just tired like you.
Oh, guys.
You can do it. You can also tell ChatGPT to help you write your music background. Now, let me show you how I did mine with ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Let me go back to ChatGPT here. After I successfully generate everything, I said to ChatGPT to give me the music which I will use for the video. As you can see, which I'll use for the video. I said, give me a music background sound that will match the video, because the video only have its talking sound, the character. So this is what I give to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT give me a prompt which I copy, and I use Snow AI to generate the music background that you were seeing on that video. So this is how I create that kind of amazing video using my smartphone. Now, I believe everyone watching this video can create something amazing like this for free with your smartphone. So if that sounds so interesting and so amazing to you, and today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos on how you can be using AI to create amazing videos like this, and also how you can use AI to edit images. In fact, what we teach on this channel is how you can be using AI. So if you want to be getting latest videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also comment in the comment section of these videos. See you guys on our next video.